Hi guys, we're here at the 2019 London Concours held at the Honourable Artillery Company. We're going to take a quick look around a dedication to Jaguar. Here we're looking at 1933 Jaguar SS1. Absolutely stunning. And next to that we've got a 1991 Jaguar XJR 1.5. Definitely want to drive that. Not much chance, but we can all dream. Project 7, 2016 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 car. Not really one for me personally, but each to their own. Probably the most beaten up car here. Certainly not Concours, but love it all the same. Obviously a Jaguar C-Type. This one's from 1953 and it's won an award for Jaguar out of all of these cars we're showing you. This is a 1959 Jaguar XK150. A beautiful car. Love the lines on this car. (1958) Jaguar Mark 1 Coombs. Again, racing car. Very cool. Over to the 1968 Jaguar XJ6 Series 1. You see loads of these driving around, didn't you, back in the 70s, 80s. One of our favourites of all time, Jag E-Type, 1961 Series 1. Arguably one of the most beautiful cars ever made. And last but no means least, one of the cars I'd love to drive again. It's a 1955 Jaguar D-Type.